Hi, I'm Brian, BMW Product Genius at BMW of Gwinnett Place. Twice a year, we change our time forward or back. Most BMW vehicles are equipped with an automatic time setting. Let's take a look at the different ways to adjust it. One of the easiest ways is to use the voice command button. Date and time.
Date and time. Please continue using manual control here.
Or using the iDrive controller, choose Car, then Settings, General Settings, Date and Time, and select Automatic Time Setting. Most model year 2018 and earlier BMWs are equipped with iDrive 6, which has a different layout, but you follow the same steps. Most 2017 model year and earlier BMWs are equipped with the iDrive 5 operating system. Again, you'll use a similar path to choose automatic time setting. Even earlier model years use iDrive 4. In this case, I'm sitting in a 2015 model year BMW. If your BMW does not have an automatic time setting, simply make the adjustments manually.